horrible. The more they're being exposed, the better. So even when I'm reacting, they're reacting back, and there are videos with them banging in response to me. That's helping expose them. But by bombarding them with me with all my little weirdness that they hate, they really hate me. The title will be Bombard Them With Me, They Really Hate Me. It's the better. Okay, so I told you my mom got these canning lids from the Dollar Tree. It was a package, and I said how you can put them on top of lids. So if you have a gold lid and then you put this gold lid over it, you make a little stand. So I've been showing you how you can take lids and make stands out of it. But if you don't want the writing on it, like this has the writing and that little thing you put in the center, then you make a lid with another lid, so 2 lids together, and a stand. And then you can make it as high as you want you don't even have to put lids underneath it. You could put something else underneath it to make it taller. So again, bombarding them with me and my crafts. And I'm going to use a thumbnail. I started